Hi everyone, welcome back to Gracie's Garden. So today I'm going to show you a plant haul from the Sanford, this is Sanford, Florida, Sanford Garden Club. So every year they have two plant sales, one in April and another one in August, September, somewhere in there. And they have mostly bromeliads. Their specialty is bromeliads, but they always also sell native plants and just regular house plants. So I'll show you what I purchased when I was there. So the first one I purchased was this. And they just had it simply labeled as a kiss plant. I did break off a little branch of it, but I know with these they're easily propagating. You just stick it back in the soil and it will root itself. So, and this thing is heavy for some weird reason. I mean, it's healthy, but yeah, so I got that, a kiss plant. That's what they called it. I know there's another name for it. Those plants get that flower on it that's like yellow with the red lips in the middle, which I assume is why they're calling it a kiss plant. We always call them sucker plants or something like that. Then the first bromeliad I purchased was this. This was called Inkwell. Just all my bromeliads in the garden are all just solid green, so I'm trying to add some color to the garden this year. The next one I purchased was this Regala Paula. This has some good red on it. Some of the leaves have these spots, some have stripes. I just thought that would definitely add some color to the garden. So the next few plants that I purchased were ones that are not rooted, so they're just propagation cuts. I've never had a problem with doing this with bromeliads, so they should be fine. So this one is called a hummingbird, and it gets a long bloom spike that comes out the middle of it. They also called it Acmea rubens. Might be saying that wrong, but it's commonly known as just a hummingbird. And then the next one I also bought was a compacta. And this one had a little baby coming out of it. Again, little flower coming out. Add some color to the garden. And then the final bromeliad I purchased was a Regala McWilliams. It had a nice pink center. I don't know if you can see that too well. It's really sunny out here. And it also had this, it was shooting off a baby here, so I thought, well, I'll give that one a try. The next few plants I purchased, the next two I should say I purchased, were native plants. So one is called a Samsamaris cernus. Might be saying that wrong. And I just really liked how these, whoop, there it goes. The pink stems, I just thought that was neat. And it must be easy to root because it's coming out the bottom of the pot. So I just thought that was neat. The guy did say it needs lots of water, which shouldn't be a problem. And then the final plant I purchased was frog fruit. I've been on the lookout for this. It's kind of hard to find sometimes. So I thought I'd purchase that. I heard it spreads really easy. There's the scientific name for it. I know frog fruit has a lot of other different names besides that. But yeah, that was all I purchased. The only other thing I did this week is I did go to a local garden, which I'm going to insert some video from the garden. It was called a horseshoe garden or a horseshoe park. It was in Casadega, Florida. It has a large homemade fairy garden. it really looks like it's a park that's in somebody's backyard, but it was cute. And yeah, it's a lot of fairy gardens, and they have a labyrinth and everything, but I'll show you in the video here. And that was it for the week. I had a very short week. I hope you all enjoyed. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. What you doing, kitty kitty? That's a lot of fairy gardens, huh? I don't know, but they say putting seashells on things means you can talk to the dead.